Hey hi guys, my name is Rai Baluni and today I'm actually at this performance building looking at some of the B2 units in this area. So you can see that this is one of the units that are more towards like the warehouse. So how these industrial units are used is pretty crazy. They have this pallet jack. This is actually more towards for warehousings, putting their equipment and stuff. I can show you a little bit on how these things are looking at and how these things are looking like. So yeah, we're gonna turn the camera around. So what you could see here is actually a very long stretch of road down there, all the way down. You can see all the different rooms. What we are looking at is one of these unit. However, we cannot show you inside because people are actually working in, and it's pretty hard for me to actually go in and start recording and tell you guys, hey, this is the unit, this is that and that. So pretty much all these are actually those B2 warehouse where they keep their goods, like what I said. They keep their goods, they keep whatever heavy materials or whatever things like cages and all these things there. So pretty much this is their electricity stuff. And then I'm gonna bring you to one of these units that is actually cut out to become an office. And you can really see that the design is actually pretty nice and it's pretty crazy. So let me just show you guys. Great, so I think I'm here. So you can see that this unit, right, all the way there to the exit. Not sure if you guys can see this. Yeah, so pretty much this unit is actually a cutout of the office, and then yeah, they changed the whole layout into an office type. So you can see that this unit over here also is actually a office. Yeah, so instead of a warehouse, they actually do this as an office because they are fine with the noises around. So thinking about it, B1, B2, you can actually cut them into offices. But however, if you are owning a B1 unit, you are not able to go into hardware and stuff. You can't put your stuff inside the office, and you also cannot, you know, put in heavy loaded things like creating a lot of noise and all these things. So there are the restrictions. That's why a lot of people would look into B2 instead of B1. So my name is Rai Baluni. I hope that this video helped you guys understand a little bit into how industrial area works. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do commercial and residential, but I hope that you guys know that this industrial area is more towards like that. Fully aircon, all these are fully aircon, and yep, pretty much that's all. I'll see you guys on the next video.